Hello my beautiful fashionistas, this is your girl Edna again. I'm back with another video, and this time it is a head wrap tutorial. It's very beginner friendly, so anybody can do this. If you're just getting your head wrap game on, girl, I'm hooking you up today, and this video was highly requested. Hope you have fun watching it. Starting up with the first, this is a 2 yards Ankara. We'll call it one lapa. Taking it at the back of my head, making sure they're even as possible. And I pulled part of it to the front because I girded it at first, and now I'm crisscrossing it. Yes, and I'm tucking it in and tying it. You want to make sure whatever you have on the head wrap is not showing. It's there to protect the hair or your edges. And I'm tucking it in again, another knot. Make sure you don't tie your hair really too tight so that you'll be uncomfortable. Tuck that on the opposite side and tuck that on the opposite side. Make sure it's very secure, and voila, you have your head wrap. The next one, I'm just loving this fabric. Having fun. I'm taking this at the back of my head, girdling it up at the back, making sure everything is covered, and crisscross it again. After it's been crisscrossed, tuck it in, pull it out, and wrap it. I'm wrapping it, spinning it, take it back to the front, and side by side, put them back to the back, and then tie it. Simple as that. Now, girl, you are a queen. Next is this little tiny piece. I just took it back at the back of my hair, pulled it over, and girdle them together. Yep, crisscross it again. Because it's a tiny wrap, you don't have much left, so you just tuck one of the opposite piece in real securely, and the one that is standing out, you just style it as desired. Now there you go, got another style hair wrap. Next, this is like a handkerchief shaped, so I'm twisting it on the side of my head and crisscross it again, making sure everything is in. I'm tying that really securely, making sure everything is well tucked, and gather the rest of them, tie them all together, tuck it in, and there I go dancing. Okay, yes, Edna, okay. All right. Taking this out the back of my head and putting it through my hair, leaving it out. Tying it, one knot first, twist, yep. And another one. And those bunny ears, you just fold them up and make them like a bow. Tuck it real nice, and there you go. The last but not the least is so simple. Anyone can do this. You just fold it, put it on your hair, and there you go. Bye, love you.